Hello and welcome to this review video for the Goronya 3-in-1 HDMI port extender, and we're just gonna quickly open it because the packaging is not all that special, but it does come with a security seal right here, so you know when your package has been tampered with. And let's just quickly get to it. So this is the main product, and it's a HDMI splitter, so you do connect this to the main HDMI port, and this extends that HDMI port into 3 different ports. So let's take a closer look at the device. And here's the instruction manual. So it's here, user manual, and it's a HDMI 1.4 version, 3D. So it supports 3D imaging, full HD and 4K, and HD CP, that's high bandwidth digital content protection, and it's a HDMI port. So this is like an introduction to the product and what you're supposed to get in your package, the disclaimer statement, and the specification of what you're getting over this cable. So this is all there is. A specification of what you're getting with this cable, and then product diagram, how to use it, where to connect, installation and safety precautions, and how to connect. So you can connect 3 devices to this and then connect it to your TV. So this is a way to expand your HDMI part of your TV. So I have a LED HDTV that has just 3 HDMI ports, and number of devices I have to use with my TV that uses HDMI connection is a lot. I have a PS3, PS4, a Roku TV, an Android box TV, and Chromecast, and 2 more devices that all connect via HDMI. And if you do regular AV connection, that just dumps down the picture you're getting. That just reduces the quality plus of sound and video that you're getting. So it's like we all take turns on who gets to connect your device to the TV. But with this, that solves all your problem, because everyone gets to connect, and the cable length on this, it's quite long, and that's good. So it's easy to position this in a midway position to get your devices connected. So per the instruction, how to connect is you use the HDMI cable to connect a HD source to the HDMI input port, and use the built-in HDMI cable to connect a HD display. So once you've done that, once you've set up your devices, you can now choose which device gets shown, and you don't have to be removing and plugging cables all the time. So once all 3 are connected, you do select the input surface from here. So you choose either this, or this to be what's using the particular HDMI slot or port on your TV. So we're going to put that to use and see how it works. Okay, so we're going to connect this and connect 3 different devices to it to show on the TV. So I'm connecting a PS3, I'm connecting this Android TV box, and I'm also connecting a Chromecast. So we're gonna do that. So I say Chromecast goes to HDMI input 1, and it's showing right there, and PS3 goes into HDMI input 2, and it's not showing power because the PS3 is not on, and the TV box is going to go into HDMI input 3. So you see the light did come on because this two devices are on. But if I wanted to choose what device shows on screen, you press the select button to select what device is going to show. So it's alternating between 1 and 3 because 2 is not on, which is the PS3, and we're going to turn it on soon. So let me connect this to. So it is connected, and right now the Chromecast is what's showing. So we're going to go and turn on the PS3. So right now the Chromecast is what's showing on the screen. And we're going to switch between the different devices that are connected. Now let's go to device 3, and that's the Android box showing right there. And device 1, we're back to the Chromecast. So you don't have to connect and reconnect and remove cables to be able to connect your HDMI devices anymore. So right now it is on the Google Chromecast, and we've turned on the PS, and that's it on the Google Chrome, and we select and switch over to the Android box, and we switch again to the PS. There it is. So with just a click and push of a button, you can switch between 3 different devices connected to your TV, and you wouldn't have to change cables and plug and unplug cables anymore. So that's how this HDMI 3-in-1 splitter works, and it's a great addition, especially if you're one of those people that do have a whole lot of gadgets that you use together with your TV. So I hope this review has been very helpful in letting you get to know what product you're actually getting when you buy this product and how it works. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.